Maybe need to switch.
There are only 3 cameras left.
I think we ought to send a picture to Mirad's work, showing him with all his friends.
Yeah, you have
All
to.
these
Switch
women
to
he's
class
been
C.
with every day. All right? Ready, go. Okay, that's good.
I didn't even think about bringing a camera. This is good. Everybody, I didn't think of picture or anything.
We can send it to you. I mean, you gave us a card last time.
Oh, you got my card, right?
Closed now.
This one's
Oh, here comes the camera person.
I didn't get a picture.
What are you doing?
A movie.
Awesome.
Okay, you get it. All right, that's good. Good.
One more.
One more.
Awesome. The last picture.
Ready?
Yeah.
Good.
Aí.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Obrigado.
Wow.
This will be home for 5.
Is this yours?
Good, come get your stuff if you gotta go, okay?
Essa
All
movie.
right?
Oi.
Thank you.
Último dia de classe. Oi, Raquel. Já apareceu, para de esconder.
Menina, deixa eu ver. Did it come out?
Yeah, really well.
Tô maior.
Did it come out? Everybody get a good picture.
No, it's a movie. Hi.
Oh.
Okay, well, we'll have to get some pictures to Mirad.
Yeah, same.
I will send it to you.
You got my card,
Things
right?
for me too.
Your email
Well, I'll tell you what.
Everybody's made.
I probably better write my own email. That's my job email.
Okay, write your own.
Yeah, I'll write.
Catherine, he's going to write his personal email. Okay. Do you have a card, another, or write it down or
Now
something?
write it down.
Deixa eu ver.
Chato. You don't need all that. Chato.
Hã? Minha mais um pãozinho. Eu tô comendo só o brigadeiro. Eu comi o brigadeiro todinho sozinha. Gente, não consigo falar. Minha voz... Então, vamos contar a história. Tem 5.000 dias que eu não venho na aula e a minha mulher decidiu ligar pro meu hoje. Pra perguntar se eu vinha hoje. Eu fui dar uma carona pra essa louca que mora lá na puta que pariu. Aí meu host liga, por que você saiu daqui tem 1 hora e a sua professora tá perguntando se você não vai na aula? E eu, então, porque vai ter uma festa, aí eu parei pra comprar comida, comprei brigadeiro, né? Quem vê pensa. Aí foi isso. Então, aqui é coisas francesas, Nicarágua, tortinhas alemãs, arroz doce da Alemanha também, salad pesto, também da Alemanha. E aqui brasileiro.
I'm back to my place. I want to eat this delicious stuff.
So, is it not the email you have in your card?
That's my personal. That's my job.
So the trip will be in July,
Nobody used it. Take it with you.
and it's
Well, anybody want to sit there?
No, you take it with you.
till
I won't
19th,
go home now.
from the
Well, it won't hurt to sit in the car.
15th till
You don't want it?
this Sunday.
Yeah, I won't drink, sorry.
All right.
You want to take
And
it
it's
with you?
No.
Okay,
I'm
you
not
have to
going
leave?
to work. If I go to work, yeah. I mean, if I go home, yes.
You don't want to try my little chocolate
You
stuff?
have to try her chocolate.
Yeah, I only
I tried it. Actually,
I did.
Try?
Yeah, I did.
Right. And you get Denver. And there's only one.
So we're leaving now?
All right.
I got 5 minutes. I can wait.